Soy milk is a type of plant-based milk that is made from soybeans. To make soy milk, first the soybeans are soaked in water for several hours. Then, the soaked soybeans are ground into a fine paste using a blender or a mill. After that, the paste is mixed with water and cooked at high temperature for about 20 to 30 minutes. This helps to remove any impurities and also helps to break down the proteins in the soybeans, making it easier for your body to digest. Once the soy milk is cooked, it is strained to remove any solid pieces, resulting in a smooth liquid. At this point, the soy milk can be sweetened with sugar or other sweeteners, or flavored with vanilla, chocolate, or other ingredients. Soy milk can be a great alternative for people who are lactose intolerant or who choose not to consume dairy products. It contains a similar amount of proteins as cow's milk, but is lower in fat and calories. It's also a good source of vitamins and minerals, such as calcium and vitamin D. So next time you enjoy a glass of soy milk, you can appreciate the process that goes into making this delicious and nutritious plant-based beverage. Tell me in the comment section below what you would like to know in the next 2 minutes. Until next time, take care and have a good nap.